Hello, good afternoon po. Maglilibang po muna tayo. At alam nyo na, ayan, maglilibang tayo, ganyan po. Alright? Sige po. Kanta po tayo ng ano ngayon? Yoyoy Villamin. Alright. Sige po. Ere na. Simulan na natin. Ayan. On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Kastila gid at waray-waray man. Magellan landed in Cebu City at noon. Rahang Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Bataan to greet and nice them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered this man to come a pledge. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bows and spears versus guns and cannons. One Magellan was hit on his neck. He stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call me a doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Please tell my mama, do not cry. Please tell my mama, do not cry. Please tell my mama, do not cry. And that's the story of the Philippines when we were under the regime of Spaniards for 300 years. Children? Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, darling queen from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. And we have 3 islands more: Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, And down to Visayan, sure, famous in sugar, coconut, and corn. Ay, 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 ay. Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi. Ay, 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 ay. Bohol, Samar, Leyte. Ay, 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 ay. Iloilo, Capiz, Taclan, Antique. Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambadyao, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Alsamis, and the three provinces of Davao, Sur del Norte, Oriental, Norte, Cotabato, Natawid-Tao. Ay, 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 Philippines has a great history. Ay, 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 ay. Manila is the capital city. Ay, 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 ay. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a corrupt country. Corrupt daw. Hirap pag isang tagay pa lang. Nabubuyoy pa. Wala pa sa singing level. Alam ko ba ito? Si Filimon, nang isda sa karagatan. Nakahuli ng isda na tulingan. Pinagpili sa may talipapa. Ngunit ang pinagbilhan, pinatalo sa sakla. Si Filimon, nang isda sa karagatan. Nakahuli ng isda ng tulingan. Pinagpili sa may talipapa. Ngunit ang pinagbilhan, pinatalo sa sakla. Ngunit ang pinagbilhan, pinatalo sa sakla. Maikli lang pala ito. Hindi siya yung original version ni Your Word. Meron pa mga Karagatsky. Sa letrang O, Sopolomon. Ganun yun eh. Kinak nila kasi pang video eh. Siyempre, nahulugan ng 5 pesos yan. Hindi kahaba. Ito si Tarzan ang marami. Tarzan, hari ng kagubatan. Barok, hari ng Korokan. Sila, dalawa magkaibigan, pati kanila magkatauhan. Tarzan, kanya sagik si Cheetah. Barok naman si puro tanga. Sila, lahat ay may pinagmana mula sa bundok ng Afrika. Si Tarzan, pinanganak, walang ama't ina. Si Barok na may pinanganak sa papel ng hiwaga. Kaya sila dalawa, meron silang stroke. Sila gawa sulat, diklet sila letra. Laging sa kanilang pagsasalita, shortcut parang telegrama. Tarzan, si Jane ng kanyang nobya. Barok na may sagsigutina. Sila ayaw pa mag-asawa, pagkat sila raw ay bata pa. Si Tarzan, mahal niya mababait na hayop. Si Barok na may mahal niya mga tao, bundok kaya sila dalawa. They have the same stroke. They are so very helpful and they are very cute. That's why I'm very fond reading the book, the story of Tarzan and Baroque. Alright, last two songs po. Dalawa pa. Parang di ko alam to. The Bible. Ginawa ng Panginoon ng langit at lupa, mga hangin, dagat, ilog at mga sapa. Di po natin alam ito. Forward natin. Kala ko alam to. Lobat na yata yung ano ko. Okay, last song. Wong China, chichiri kong kong lang, buchike, ekeke, bobo chichang, chichiri kong kong lang, buchike, ekeke, chiri wong wong chai, chiri kong kong lai, chirang bobo chirang, chiri kong kong lang. Chirin chara yatang kong buhi, buchiki, ekeke, bong choy la, chichiri kong kong la, buchiki, ekeke, bobo chichang, chichiri kong kong la, buchiki, ekeke, chichiri wong wong choy, churu kong kong lai, chirang bobo chiran, chiri kong kong la, chirin chara yatang kong. Buchiki, ekeke, chichudu kong